Hello, everyone. This is Ashutosh, co-founder CEO at Xenia, where we have launched the world's first AI platform for business users. I'm honored to be speaking to Dr. Richard Harman this morning, who leads financial services globally at Red Hat and is also a special advisor to us here at Xenia. Welcome to AI Espresso Sips, Richard.
Thanks for having me here. I like to do these little talks, and hopefully we'll have a nice conversation on several topics.
Fantastic. So let's have a few small yet rich AI espresso sips, three to be precise. What do you see as three significant macro trends for AI in financial services?
So the first one I think is no surprise to anyone. It's the explosion of data. And this has really allowed AI to flourish because the richer, the more robust, the greater variety of data, the more effective AI techniques can be in extracting signals. And those signals then allow, for example, institutions to better understand, customer behavior. And that allows them to provide more effective products and services to customers. So the explosion of data has also created an industry which now we call alternative data over the last 7-8 years. And this is where now you're blending not just data that's internal to an institution, but a lot of external data from social media to all kinds of information sources, imagery. So the variety and the volume of data, when you bring these external data sources in, really give you a much more robust view of behavior and in terms of customers, but also in terms of your business. So that's sort of one of my sort of the first key trend that I see.
Yeah, and I guess as there will always be more alternative data available, organizations need to build their AI solutions in an agile way. So they are always able to incorporate the new insights, right, from the data seamlessly coming in into their current solutions. So let's take the second AI sip.
The second SIP is democratization of AI. And what I mean here, and this is really at the core of what you do at Xenia, is enabling AI to flourish and benefit all aspects of a business. And it's not just the exclusive domain of data scientists, which by the way are highly skilled and also very, very scarce commodity. But it's about allowing AI to be leveraged across the business into different lines of business. And maybe you have a few thoughts on that because that's really what Xenia does.
Yeah, I mean, we see this as the foundation to a successful business going forward. AI really needs to be taken out of the lab and made accessible to everyone. And of course, a key aspect for this to happen is explainability. If the AI outputs are explainable, key decision makers will have trust on them, and they will gain insights from that will lead to better customer decision making, and this will really allow firms to become more data driven, right?
Yeah. Now that's a fantastic and actually explainable AI is probably the hottest topic these days. So Xenia is incredibly well positioned to be a contributing factor to solving that problem. But I let me touch on as you call it, a third SIP. And this is not directly tied to AI, but it's around automation. So the benefits of having sort of intelligent rules engines or intelligent applications is that decisions are made in real time based upon a vast amount of data, right? That's where the AI piece comes in. But to really make it effective and make it particularly cost effective for firms is to be able to automate these sort of intelligent type of capabilities. And so that allows institutions to really start to get away from manual siloed entities and leverage AI to make business decisions, but operationally to be able to execute them in a very smart way.
Yeah, I mean, automation sometimes could be a touchy topic, and we tend to over imagine things like robots taking over the world and whatnot. However, automation with respect to AI is, I guess, letting the algorithms do what they do best, right? So they can data clean, they can build your model and solutions in an automated way. However, I guess as long as humans control both the ends, which is, what are the objectives of the automations, getting those right, getting those aligned to their business outcomes. And then I guess on the other end, humans acting as gatekeepers for the implementation, making sure the decisions are, aligned with the objectives to begin with. So long as that's kind of done, I guess automation helps deliver on the themes you identified previously, right? Which is data explosion and AI democratization. So yeah, I could see that fitting together quite well.
Mhm.
So to summarize, the three macro trends identified today by Dr. Richard Harman are that of explosion of data availability, AI democratization, and automation possibilities of AI. That kind of brings these things together as well. Great. That's all we have time for in this session, Richard. It was really great sipping AI espresso with you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I enjoy these topics. Thank you.